Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant Communication Assessment part second video. There is a change in the particular pattern. What are the number of question, time, exact question we will discuss in today's video, or we can say that there is a update in the communication assessment. Let's start the today's video. One most important point that I have to clear first in the video, in their official mail they clearly mention that we are pledged to share that you have been shortlisted for communication. Same will be of 60 minutes, and according to the previous 2024 batch examination 2025, we see the pattern of communication assessment duration 60 minutes and 3 sections are there. Okay, but there is a new update. When you click on the start test here, okay, your test is on tomorrow, so this type of page will be open. Welcome to SpeechX 2024. Total number of questions are 77, section count are 4, and test duration is 58 minutes. Okay, so again I am saying, okay, I research on YouTube, I research on some of the online websites, and I found that they mentioned this type of pattern in the examination. Okay, they mentioned this pattern in the examination that total 77 questions are there, 4 sections are there, 58 minutes of time. Okay, because some of the content creators already uploaded the video, okay, previously as well. So the thing is, if the 3 section is come, okay, like reading, grammar, listening, speaking, and comprehension and listening, speaking, and reading and grammar. So I already shared the video with all of you. You can check on our channel. Okay, suppose what are the 4 sections that are very important. Suppose they consider this type of section, most probably they will consider, because when you open the test link, so this type of page will be open. So there are 4 sections, section 1, B, second, third and fourth, A, B, C, D. Total number of questions are 77 and time duration is 58 minutes. Okay, let's discuss about all section in detail. So first section is same, that is a reading. 23 questions are there. In this section you will be presented with 23 statement audio clips. You will have to read and record the statement content of audio clip. Okay, आपको यहाँ पर अच्छे से पढ़ना है. ओके, थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ना है जिससे कि यहाँ पर मतलब प्रॉपर तरीके से सुनाई दे. एंड यू हैव टू यूज द प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. बाइंग बाइसिकल पार्ट्स विदाउट एनी एक्सपर्टीज कैन बी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, यू हैव टू जस्ट रिकॉर्ड दैट व्हाट यू रीड. ओके, एंड यू कैन मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. टोटल 23 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. द सिंपल सेक्शन, द रीड विल बी देयर. ओके, section number B is speak on topic, that is of 4 question. Okay, like I already shared, the first is 23 question, second is 4, and 34 and 16 question. So speak on topic. In this section you will given 3 topic on which you need to speak for 1 minute each. For each topic you will get 30 seconds to think, after which your response will getting started record. Okay, so suppose they will give you 30 seconds to think. Suppose the topic are favorite sports, trending technology, what's your favorite kind of music. So you have to think about this topic. Okay, after that you have to record that. Okay, what you have to speak on the particular given topic. Okay, what are you mentioning about the trending technology, what's your favorite sports. Okay, so the section B is speak on topic. Okay, so the topic are there, particularly one topic is there. एक topic रहेगा, उस पे सोचना है और बोलना है. That's the thing. Let's move on to our next section, that is a section C, English grammar. 34 questions are there. Okay, and this is a English grammar proficiency round. Tenses, verb, article, active, passive voice, preposition, fill in the blanks question will be asked. Suppose this is the question: she read interesting book last night. You have to choose option. Okay, and this type of question, change the following sentence from active voice to passive voice. For that I suggest you to please check the Send Foundry website, where you will find part of speech set 1 question, part of speech set 2 questions. Okay, there are noun related, pronouns related, verb related, okay, article, tenses related. Okay, everything, English composition, everything is present on the website, so you can check that. So you have to practice lot of question, because 34 questions are asked in the English grammar section. Okay, then our last 4th section is question and answer. It consists of 16 question. So total your 77 questions are completed. Just to update you guys, just see that 23 question, 4 question, 34 question and 16 question. Okay, so total section like 4 sections are there. In this section you will present it with audio clips and question based on the audio clip. You are giving 15 minutes to complete all the question. First audio will be play and you have to listen audio carefully, then questions will be asked. Okay, suppose the audio will related to Akash, like Akash is a boy from like Andhra Pradesh. Okay, like Akash hobbies are this, Akash is currently doing his work. After that the question will be come. Okay, what are Akash hobby? Reading, listening to music and cooking, reading, listening to music and painting, traveling and cooking. So you have to listen audio very carefully, because the questions will be related to that audio itself. Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay, suppose the another audio is playing. Okay, and the next 3 questions will be related to that audio. Okay, what is the favorite sport? Okay, what is the like next thing? So this type of questions they will be asked, like you have to listen audio very carefully, then questions will be asked. So section D is question and answer, section C is grammar, section B is you have to speak on topic for at least for 1 minute. Okay, and section A is reading. Okay, so we can say that this is the updated pattern of communication assessment. Okay, I hope you like the video. Best wishes for your communication assessment examination. Thanks for watching the video.